All right, so now that you've picked a template, whether that is from the Canva library or from one on Etsy, you're going to go ahead and load that up. And then you're going to have this template, which now needs customized so that it has your name, your personality on there. So what the first thing you're going to do, whatever this first page is here, just kind of take a look at it and then see what changes you want to make, because this is the first kind of impression they're going to get when they see your portfolio. So you want to highlight your personality, any expertise you might have, just right away. You want to get their attention. So first of all, the name is going to need changed, obviously. So I will change that to Christy Etter. All right. And then this frame needs a picture. So you might need to upload a picture, or if you already have some, which I usually do just for things like this, take your picture and then just go ahead and throw it into the frame. Voila. So easy, right? And then you can always adjust it however you want in there. So already it is looking better. Let me change these letters here as well so that they are my initials and not someone else's. So we've got that. Now it has these social media links. So depending on, you may not even be on Twitter or whatever other option, or you might be on something different that's not here, like TikTok. So I'm going to ungroup these. I have Twitter, but I don't use it for right now. I have these three, so I'm going to just even these out. You can highlight them, and then under position, you can click horizontally to space evenly. So now those are spaced out nice and evenly. All right, so and then you have this, what I call placeholder text, which, is obviously donut pudding shortbread is not what I want to have on there, but this is where you would put your personal experience and whatnot. So once I go to the finished website, you'll see how that could look when it's all finished. Now you're going to have a menu up here, and each part of this menu is going to go to a different page of the website. So this first one, you see how it has, if you click on it, it has a link there, right? And then that link is going to, and it's going to give you the option. If you X that out, you could put a URL in there that just goes to some other website or wherever, or you can go to a page in this document, which is what we want. So we want the about to go to page 3, which is about. All right, testimonials, if you have them, you can link it up. Again, we'll go to link. I don't know if there is a testimonials page on this one. Actually, I think it is on the last one. It's on contact. Contact and testimonials are in the same page on this web design. So you would just link it to the same page. Same here, it would be on contact. So you're just making sure everything is going to link to the right page. And just here in a second, I'll show you how to do that, how to set up your pages. This is going to go to your portfolio, just called work, and then rates. And that's going to go to rates. Okay, I already have that set up, that page set up, but I don't have the, okay. Let me do that one more time. There we go. Done. Okay. You'll know it's done when you see like this underline, because that's going to show that it's ready to click out to the right website. Now let me see if I can move that out of there, close that out. All right, so we can see better here. Now, you're probably wondering, well, how do I name the pages? How do I know what page is what? Now, it works a little different in Canva. It's not like you have this menu that goes to on every website, but you just have a menu at the top, on the very top of the whole portfolio. So that's how we connect the pages together. So this first one, you're going to click under notes, and that's where you're going to name your pages. So this first page one is called home, which is, as it should be. So I'm going to go here under notes and close that out. And I'm going to go to the next page. And this page is named Why, which is fine. This one here is named About. As you scroll down, it'll show you the name. So this is named Work, Work 2. This is called Rates. So you're just basically making sure that each page matches what you're going to be linking it to from your menu. All right, so everything there, looks good. I am going to be making changes, but that's not important right now. So now that we've got everything is linked to the right page and we've got our picture, and then maybe, you don't have to have the color be the same as what it comes in the template, because the whole point is to put your personality, color, and pizzazz in there. So that's what we want to do. We want to go ahead. I'm going to pick a different color for this background. And I am a kind of a low gradient. So I'm going to pick one of these gradients here. You see how much different that looks already? It's like, ah. So I'm going to do that one. And then I'm not going to change all because I might want to leave some other ones black. So I'm just going to leave that and then we're good. So look at that. Look how different it looks already. And that is our home page. So next we're going to go to our next page, which is going to be where you start putting your work or your portfolio examples and content. And I'll see you on the next video for that.